Cool coin trick. For this experiment, you'll need a coin, a small piece of cardstock or thin cardboard, and a glass. Step 1. Place the glass on a flat surface. Step 2. Put the cardstock over the top of the glass. Step 3. Place a coin on the middle of the cardstock directly over the center of the glass. Step 4. With your fingers, flick the cardstock off the glass. What happens? Dr. Z explains. The coin is in inertia. Inertia means an object will remain where it is unless acted upon by an outside force. When you flicked the cardstock off the glass, the motion was quick enough that the coin stayed where it was, in inertia, for a split second. Then gravity took over and the coin dropped into the glass. Bonus challenge. Stack a few coins on the cardstock and try the experiment again. Have fun!